The boards are filling up. We got 8 out of 12 boards now. So things are looking better. I'm passing through the Atlanta airport right now. I'm gonna head to my gate, E26. I'm gonna fly up to Dayton, Ohio. Looks like the airports are recovering. I arrived at downtown Dayton now. It looks pretty historical here. I see some old buildings. I've been here once before when I was transiting to Centerville, but today's mission is to find something that's open. Apparently things are somewhat quasi-closed. I called the spaghetti warehouse factory and they said that they're closed because some sort of boiling issue. A big water pipe broke and so now there's a water boil advisory. All the restaurants apparently can't work today because of this issue. They can't even wash their hands apparently. You have to boil your water. This area looks a little deserted. Not much activity happening here. It's true, it's closed today due to a boil advisory. Safety first, that's #1 priority, everyone. They also say mask up Dayton. So Dayton's also into the new fashion. Even though they say they're open, they're actually not open. This restaurant seems to be closed. Buses are working though. That's a good sign. This restaurant's completely out of service. In fact, there's a lot of businesses that are just not working right now. Looks like they're renovating this parking complex. And this building over there is also getting renovated. I'm running low on battery right now, so that might be the end of my little tour here in Dayton. For the most part, it's pretty quiet here. Here I found the courthouse. If you want to file Chapter 11 bankruptcy, you have to do it telephonically on the phone. This restaurant says push with your elbow, please, instead of your hand. Let's see what's happening in here.